Hi, I am Anup Madan. I work for Covance Genomics Lab in Seattle. Covance is one of the biggest CRO in the world, which touches 50% of clinical trials worldwide. So our site offers various next generation or other genomic services to our pharma clients, so that they can use this critical information for drug development processes. So AGBT is one of the premier conferences where all the new techniques are presented and new data sets or new ways to analyze the data are presented. That's the reason I attend AGBT, to understand more about genomics and what new is coming, not only in this year but in future, looking forward 2 years, 3 years, 5 years beyond, so that we can keep our pharma clients informed about these developments, so that they can choose a suitable assay that can help them discover better drugs for the patients.
Right. So I'm Richard Moore from Vancouver's Michael Smith's Genome Sciences Centre, which is part of the BC Cancer Agency in Vancouver. We're at AGBT. I love AGBT. We come every year. It's a great technology conference. You get to hear about all the new sequencing things that are going on, especially new platforms, new advances. So it's always a pretty cool conference. What's been great this year, there's a lot of incremental improvements this year as opposed to one big splash new technology, I would say. The molecular stuff is kind of cool. That's kind of new. There's a new sequencer from QIAGEN, which is kind of interesting. They're in the market, so we'll have to see how that goes. What else have we been looking at? There's always lots of great posters here, and it's also a really good networking conference. You get to meet a lot of people, a lot of the senior people, especially from all the sequencing centres are here. So it's great networking for us as well, and meeting with all the companies on a one-on-one basis to work out what's going on with the new advances. There's a lot of extra clinical stuff this year. There's a lot of extra clinical sequencing going on, and that's an area we're getting into too. So it's good to see how that's progressing elsewhere and how other people are dealing with that.
Hello, my name is Paolo Piazza. I work at the Wellcome Trust Centre for Human Genetics in Oxford, and I'm part of a core facility that is dedicated to provide support to all the researchers within Oxford and outside over UK and Europe and wherever. My main role is to supervise the library prep team, and I have a personal interest in R&D applications, so I'm heavily involved with developing and finding better solutions for our customers and collaborators. The reason why I'm here is to catch up on the technology, be aware of what people are doing, what the trend is going towards. And personally, I was fascinated by one of the talks of the technology section last night, describing a very clever way to assess and determine the RNA transcriptome from single cell, maintaining the histology information. So the way they do that is to image the tissue and then superimpose somehow that tissue on a high density microarray platform, and then permeate the tissue, allow the RNA to hybridize on the array, and that provides the transcriptome information. They managed to do about 130,000 cells and analyze in a single run, and what was even was very fascinating is that there was very good correlation with RNA-seq data obtained from the same tissue. So I think that's one of the things that is worth keeping an eye on.
Oh, hello everyone. I'm Michael Quayle. I lead the sequencing R&D group at the Wellcome Trust Sanger Institute. Our role is threefold. We evaluate new sequencing technologies, optimize them for production. We look at new molecular biology reagents and applications and develop new library prep protocols. And we also look at ancillary equipment and try and develop NGS sequencing workflows to really streamline and improve our production sequencing. So I'm interested in quite a lot of, I guess, mostly technology really. So I'm here at AGBT looking at what's new, looking at what improvements there are in sequencers, potentially looking out for any new sequencers or any new molecular biology kits, and looking for things that we can't already do really.
Hi, I'm Jen Fetweiss from Virginia Commonwealth University. I'm a postdoctoral fellow and I coordinate the Vaginal Human Microbiome project there. That's one of the demonstration projects from the HMP effort. So this is my first time at AGBT and I've been having a great time so far. The meetings have been great. There's been a lot of real interest in the technology, which I think has been fabulous. But the scientific talks are really what get me excited. So thanks.